Go, please don't play with me, I'm always down the reaper. Headshot make on bottle on that desert eagle. Biggest pet peeve that I don't even fuck with people. They don't fuck with me, so I don't fuck with them neither. Niggas don't got no time to hunt, so they pay their.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Metriii, and I'm back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look what time is it? Time it is, bro. Look what time it is. It is 9:57, bro. Right now, this nigga Niko is still asleep. Even though we supposed to be getting ready and packing up to leave the B&B in an hour, he still don't want to get up, right? So I'm about to go look. Damn, it's in my eye. I'm about to look up like a loud ass like fire sound, and I'm gonna get his ass up, bro. So y'all boys, make sure y'all like, come subscribe, do all that good stuff. Catch me in the next scene, man, for sure.
That's not coming from that, right? No. Where's that coming from? Nigga, that is not ours. Are you sure that's ours? There's no way. I don't think it's coming from there, right? That makes sense. I can't tell where it's coming from.
Neither one.
Actually, cleaners are gonna come through this shit. I do not fucking know, man. It's almost like it's not saying nothing on any alarm or nothing. I don't know. I'm dead up. I can't tell, man. It's not coming from that shit. So I promise you it's not coming from that. So where is it coming from? I don't know. I cannot do it. It don't make no sense.
What the fuck? Bro. Oh shit. Did y'all see that? Oh boy, it was zoomed in. Bro, I don't know if he can tell it was a prank. I don't know if you can tell that it was a prank or not. But I don't know. Oh my gosh, he's so fucking dumb. I'm like I'm vlogging, bro. I'm like I'm vlogging, bro. Oh my gosh. If that was the case, I should have never went to his room, bro. Bro, we woke up, and I think our fucking fire alarm is fucking. I don't know, bro. No, I'm telling my vlog about the fucking fire alarm shit.
Oh yeah, that shit don't make no fucking sense, bro. I don't know where that shit coming from.
Damn.
Oh.
Well, what the fuck? Damn. Bro, this nigga got the chair. Bro, he got the chair and went up to the damn fire alarm shit. I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know if it's good or bad. Cause this nigga, I thought this nigga knew it was a prank. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Hey, yo, Niko. Come here. Come here.
What?
That shit annoying, bro.
That's what you told me to come here for?
Yeah. Wait, come here though, look. Look on the TV, cuz.
Are you so weird, bro? I knew I wasn't doing bro. It didn't make no sense.
Cuz.
You probably just woke up hella people.
I don't care.
If David say something to me, I'm sending him your contact info so he can cut you out. You turn? No, you didn't even turn the PlayStation. You need help, man.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn. My bad, cuz. I ain't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that. One more.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Where you going, man?
Where am I going?
Where you going?
What do you mean what I'm doing? I'm chilling.
You good?
Yeah, well.
Everything good, man?
Cause you need to pack.
Oh, I'm sorry. Somebody was just blasting that fire alarm on the TV. I'm trying to figure out where the fuck the fire alarm coming from. My bad. Next time I'm gonna just pack.
Hey man, that's sick, man. I don't know if that's a good, I don't know if it's a W or L prank. I don't know, bruh. Cause I feel like if I never went to his room, damn. But ain't no cap. Y'all could, if y'all could replay it, as y'all could see, I was already by his door. I was thinking about doing it, but when I was by his door, that's when like I seen him. I heard him about to open that bit. I should have act like I was looking at the fire alarm. That's crazy, but yeah, I don't know if it's a W or L prank. Y'all would drop in the comments down below if like how y'all was feeling about it, you feel me? Y'all would see my Instagram and my YouTube. Make sure y'all get me to 1K, you feel me? Road to 1K, you know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram, you feel me? Look at, oh my gosh, we in the game right now though. I'm gonna miss this though. I'm gonna miss this, fam. Y'all boys tuning on the vlog. And yeah, for sure. It's your boy Metriii and I'm my man Ty.